Set to go now. Oh, this is how we have sweet. That is girl Russell Dazzle. Amazing cut. The Hellas on the outside. Magnetism comes next. Then followed by Lucky Gunner. Real Talk. On the inside is a Rockstar Show. Then followed over by My Bukas Pa. And trailing the group is Miko Nanga. Sweet. That is girl by about 3 lengths. Russell Dazzle, Tejeros is on the outside third. Then followed over now by Magnetism. Amazing cut moving up. Lucky Gunner on the outside fifth. Desperado, Rockstar Show, Real Talk, and Miko Nanga is still racing in last. As all leader, that's sweet. That is girl by about 2.5 lengths. Tejeros now in second. Russell Dazzle. Here comes Magnetism. Then followed over on the outside by Lucky Gunner. And that's still sweet. That is girl. Magnetism is down on the inside. Tejeros, Russell Dazzle, but it's still sweet. That is girl by Walenga. Magnetism on the outside, second as they come down at the last of it. Sweet, that is girl. Reviews as the surrender by about 2 lengths. Magnetism, then followed by Tejeros. And entering the finish line, Jackie M&M Gonzalez on sweet. That is girl. Second, Magnetism, Tejeros. Then comes Russell Dazzle, close. My Bukas Pa, Lucky Gunner.
Okay, bayang karirista, para dito sa inyong penultimate race number 6 na ating pong unofficial winner. Numero 8, yan po si Sweet That Is Girl. Mas sa segundo, numero 7, Magnetism, 10 horse, Tejeros. Numero 2, Russell Dazzle, 9 horse, May Bukas Pa. At para sa inyong Super 6, numero 6.